Hi everyone, thank you for watching. In today's video, we're opening up snacks from around the world. I have 2 snack subscription boxes. We're opening one I've opened in May. I just looked it up, but it was a different variation or size of the box, and one is brand new. So the one I opened before is MunchPak, and they have a variety of sizes. We're opening up the mini box today, and I was looking at their website. It looks like pricing starts at $9.99, but if you just pay monthly, this one would be $13.99. They have 3 plans based on how many snacks you want. And for Snack Voyage, they also have multiple snack plans. And for MunchPak, there is a $3 off coupon that, when you go on their website, it pops up and you enter your email and they will send it to you. If I can find any other codes, I will let you know. And for Snack Voyage, there are some holiday codes to get 15% off. So I'll try and go into more detail when we open each one. Before we get started though, I want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. That would mean so much to me. What one should we start with, you guys? How about we start off with the mini one and then work our way to the Voyage, the Snack Voyage. So both of these boxes have snacks featured from different countries, and I don't know what they are, and I'm really excited. I love food so much, and I love trying new food and learning things. So this is cute packaging, MunchPak Mini. And on their website it says, inside every MunchPak are the coolest and best tasting snacks from around the world. Each delivery will surprise you with a hand-picked assortment of sweet, sour, salty, and savory snacks. And they say that they get new and popular snacks, full-size snacks, and it's always free and fast delivery for the US, but they are available international. And I don't think I mentioned this. I will leave timestamps down below along with the links to these websites and the codes, of course. So let's see what we got. When I open it, this is what it looks like. I didn't drop anything. And they have a contest here, so when you get your box, you can take a picture or record a video, and then if you share it on social media, you may win a 3-month subscription plan. And when I was on their website and I saw there was a referral program, so if you refer a friend, you each get $5 off, I believe. So here's a sneak peek of snacks. I don't think it's close enough for you guys to see, but where are we getting our stuff from? Oh, it's from multiple countries, so it'll say them right down here. So featuring delicious snacks from Italy, Japan, Thailand, and more. And on the inside, it talks about the snacks, which is nice because when I opened this last time, it's coming back to me now. When it's in a different language, you don't really know. So this thing I saw first right here, let's look at this. This is from Japan, and this is the Tahoto caramel corn, a crunchy and delightful puffed corn snack from Tahoto. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. So it tastes like caramel popcorn with peanuts. You'll finish the bag and wish for more with this snack that's perfect for everyone. That sounds like something I will really like. And they put a sticker on here too, which is great because everything is in Japanese on the back, and they put nutrition facts, ingredients, and calories, all that. So that's really nice because I know people have allergens or dietary restrictions. I don't eat animal product. Well, meat and stuff. Ooh, what's this? I'm a vegetarian. This is from South Korea, and it's the Hai Thai baked potato flavor biscuits. Incredibly crunchy Korean snack biscuits in the flavor of baked potato. Oh my god, and I'm Irish, so I just love potato everything. Baked potatoes, I used to tell people that was my favorite food when I was a kid. No, mashed potatoes, sorry. But I like baked. Oh my god, I can't remember. No, it was mashed potatoes. But I love both. Buttery flavor that is savory, not too salty, and reminds us of roasted potatoes. Now my favorite food is guacamole, but also with queso too. And I used to have a margarita thing, but we're taking a break because, Corona. And next up we have Mui Ban. Ooh, this looks like chocolatey or hazelnutty or something. This is something I'm going to eat right away. I know, I can just tell. Oh, it is hazelnut. This is from Mexico. It's the Mui Ban chocolate hazelnut bar. Take Ferrero Rocher, mold it into the slim, crunchy size of a Kit Kat, and add the hazelnut flavor of Nutella, and you've got Mui Ban. I feel the need to apologize. If I don't know languages, I can't pronounce things always correctly. You can definitely, in a nice way, teach me, please. A delicious and sweet dessert treat. Yes. No way this lasts more than an hour. Ooh, the next two things are sweet stuff too. So what is this? This is from Italy, Delizia pastry cream. And this brings all the flavor of an Italian bakery right to you. This crunchy, perfectly glazed pastry is filled with sweet bakery quality pastry cream. Take Italy everywhere you go. Italy with you everywhere you go. Like, I would eat this within 10 seconds of my transport to wherever I'm going, which is nowhere. And the last thing in here is Yummy Gummy Sour Rainbow Cables. I used to not like things like this, and now I tried them because I got them in a pass box, and I like them. I pretty much like everything that's vegetarian. This is from Turkey. Yummy sour sugar-coated gummy candy in the shape of awesome rainbow belt strips. These are the true pot of gold at the end of the rainbow leading into your mouth. Didn't that sound like? Oh, I'm just gonna shut up. So that was everything in the mini munch pack. And if I had to say what I'm gonna eat first for sure, unless, oh wait, am I gonna start off with the salty? I'll probably eat leftovers for dinner and then eat this, or eat it first, who cares? There's no rules here. So now on to Snack Voyage, the subscription that is brand new to our channel. So I have their website pulled up. And it says, what is in a Snack Voyage box? It is uniquely tasty snacks from around the world with games and activities for the family. Snacks are handpicked with love from different countries and delivered to your doorstep. Tour the world with our country box or assorted box. And then if you're not ready for a subscription, you can tour the world with their one-time holiday box, which is a mystery box, which I always appreciate and love when subscription companies offer both. Because one, you can like give it as a gift easier. I mean, you can also do that with like a 3 or 6 month plan, but you have to like remember to cancel or continue the gift. So I think that's really nice. And they did give me pricing, so I didn't have to look around for it. So the country box is $28.99, as well as the assorted box. And then that mystery box would be, I think it's the same price, but if I'm wrong, I'll list on the screen or down below. And there is a 15% off code for all of the boxes right now. I think it's just holiday. Yeah, holiday. I'll leave that down below too. I'm repetitive with this, but just in case you missed it before, everything's down below. And I believe we're opening the country box. Did I say that already? But let's find out. Open it up. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can continue the no drop. Ooh, and this one's loaded with snacks. So you pay more money, but you get a lot more, it looks like. Ooh, I see something else that looks like hazelnutty and yummy. So we take snacking seriously. Same. Follow us on Facebook, whatever. And then there's a disclaimer about allergens, which I appreciate. And then some trivia. Oh, is Germany the country? Oh, no, I think we get... Okay. So the country box is just all stuff from one country, and the assorted box is stuff from multiple countries. Smart, I got it now. But you guys, can we take a quiz together really quick? Get a pencil and pen ready or your phone. I need one. Well, whatever, it's fine. I need one. I need to play along. I'm not going to look at the answers yet. I know I have. Oh, yes, of course I have it on my desk. My cat pen. So how many kinds of sausages are in Germany? A, 50, B, 500, or C, over 1,000? So A, 50, B, 500, or C, over 1,000 types of sausages in Germany. I'm just going to go with C. When in doubt, like on multiple choice exams, like C is like statistically, why is that word always so hard, known to be like the answer to go for if you guys have no clue. But try and make an educated guess. Okay, 2. What is the oldest city in Brazil? A, Brasilia, B, Rio, or C, São Vicente? I'm going to say C again because I don't know. So A, what is the oldest city in Brazil? A, Brasilia, B, Rio, or C, São Vicente? C. And then 2 more questions to go. 3, what do the British call cookies? Oh, I think I know this. A, blobs, C, or B, biscuits, or C, tads. So what do British call cookies? A, blobs, B, biscuits, or C, tads. And I think it's B, biscuits. Oh, and I shouldn't be saying my answers out loud. You go with what you think. And 4, what is the name of the spicy cabbage side dish that accompanies most Korean meals? I know this one. A, kimchi. B, samgyeopsal. Samgyeopsal, I'm sorry. Or C, bibimbap. Bibimbap. Can you see? I'm trying to cover up the answers that are at the bottom, which I didn't cheat, I swear. So, what is the name of the spicy cabbage side dish that accompanies most Korean meals? A, kimchi. B, samgyeopsal. Or B, bibimbap. I'm sorry, I can't. Clearly the one I can pronounce is what I think is right. So let's look at the answers. I think I got a 100% going with C. I swear I didn't cheat. I hate cheating. I'm such like a first child. I hate it. So for answer number 1, how many kinds of sausages are in Germany? C, over 1,000. 2, what is the oldest city in Brazil? C, the São Vicente. And then 3, what do British call cookies? B, biscuits. And 4 is kimchi. 100%. I've always been an A student, you guys know. And I shouldn't be bragging, but let's move on. Let's see what snacks we have. I bet so many people left, but I love stuff like that. I miss trivia. Ooh, that's so fun. So they have this little thing in here. It looks like you're traveling. Boarding pass, snack voyage. Rank your snacks, take a picture, tag us on social media. I love that they have like activities in here. Can you tell? So first up, I don't know what this is, but it looks like crackers or something. So we have this sorted box for sure, I would think. Tie. Didn't we get something by that in a different box? I don't know. And then we have what I noticed right away, the hazelnut Hanuta. French pie. Margaret cookie. Cookies are my favorite. No way! There's a different types of Lay's from another country. Oh, I'm like really excited. India's magic masala. Oh my god, you guys, can I try one now? Like, you can respond. I hate the sound of chewing. Like, I found out, where did I find that out? But it's a genetic thing apparently. Like, if you're like me, like the sound of someone eating and chewing just makes me want to like go nuts, even if I'm in the best mood. Apparently it's a genetic thing, which makes me feel better about that extreme anger. But ew, I'm not gonna do it. That's a sign. I'm not gonna bother you, because if you're like me, I'd be really bothered. Next up is by Potato, and it's a cheese tart. I love cheese. I can't believe I went 7 years of my life without eating cheese. I'm trying not to eat too much of it now that it hurts my tummy. Next is Crown Chocolate and Marshmallow. Oh, there's this little pink thing that reminds me of probably chocolate. Yogurette. Oh, like a yogurt thing? I don't know. But I like how it looks, and it's pink. God, there's a decent amount left. Ooh, Watermelon by Jure. Watermelon Fruit Roll. Wow, this is probably like a way better version of a fruit roll-up. I got some in a box, like in my Variety Fun. And I was like, you know, I don't even remember what these taste like. I can't believe I like stuff. They're such like a kid thing. I don't know. I don't think they're that great now, but I ate it. And we have, by a brand I can't pronounce, the White Tort. Oh, you guys, I am so happy. I was running out of food since I cleaned out my pantry and stuff. Well, I have food. I ordered a bunch last night on Uber Eats or something, but now I have a lot of snacks. Princesa Longa. It looks like this is a coconut bar of some sort. And I don't know if I know, was this box or the last, but they have little stickers on here as well that talk about what it is actually, so I could have been telling you the whole time, the ingredients and nutrition facts, so I think that's great. And 2 more to go. We have, oh, I've had one of these, they're good. Natural 12 Crispy Roll 12 grain. I thought this wouldn't be that tasty because it like looks healthy kind of and stuff, but it's good. I liked it. I can't remember where I got it. Obviously a box. Every time my friends are over and they're like, where'd you get this? I'm like, box, duh. And last but not least, because there's chocolate and hazelnut, Choco Haim, or I don't know, but Choco Hazelnut little bars. Yum! You guys, this is really fun. I think both boxes are good. I think I enjoyed opening Snack Voyage more, but there's just more stuff in the activities I think is really great. But you get variety with both boxes. Hopefully you guys could find something that works for you. And again, there are different boxes for both of them, but Snack Voyage also has that one-time, you know, box, the holiday box. And I like that you can get stuff from all one country or all like a variety. I think that's, yeah, I have to say that's the winner overall in my eyes. And I think the discount may be higher, but also is more expensive depending on what plan you would go with MunchPak. But I think both are good, and I'm excited about all of the items. I can eat all of them, and I will. But you guys, thank you so much for being here and unboxing these with me. Let me know how you did on our quiz. A+, like always. Hi, Emmy. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and also join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Want to see Emmy quick? Come here, Emmy. Say bye. Bye. My little angel baby. So good. Bye, guys.